I'll be speaking on friendship. I'm Marin. C.S. Lewis says, friendship is born at the moment when one person says to another, "What, you too?" I thought I was the only one. Friendship is being able to laugh together, cry together, being foolish together, and being mad at each other. It has no survival value. Rather, it is one of those things that gives value to survival. For me, my friends are a source of inspiration and happiness. They are my stress busters. They have always stood by me in stormy situations. My friends are my family. I'm sure each one of you will agree when I say friendship multiplies the good of life and divides the evil. Life without a friend is death without a witness.
Govardhana Girisham Smarami, composed by Muthuswami Dikshadhar, Ragam Hindolam. Govardhana Girisham Smarami, Govardhana Girisham Smarami, Adisham Gopikati Madokaro Gatitakam Sadikaro Govardhana Girisham Smarami, Adisham Gopikati Madokaro Gatitakam Sadikaro Govardhana Girisham Smarami.
Honorable and great Dr. Sengupta, friends and members of the reputable MRLF, I hereby bring down to all to ensure that the mind does not travel down to one's past nor enter down to the future thoughts, but be upon the present understanding and be on a good and spiritual mood. By being on past and future thoughts, you are creating tensions and great suffering. Any of our thoughts cannot bring down the mind, tension and suffering. All should note that whatever is to take place will always happen, which has to be born without any bad thoughts and keep mind in a good and best condition.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे.
My experience, the following are my impressions and hope they will be among the quantum reforms the government plans to undertake to realize Atmanirbhar Bharat. Firstly, Make in India, increasing foreign direct investment limit in our private sector are at best temporary solutions. Ultimate solution for self-reliant India is to develop our talent pool right from the roots. A complete overhaul of our education system should be undertaken, keeping in view the fact that today's child is expected to be solving problems in a highly developed technology which prevails 15 to 20 years hence. The education should build the creative and innovative faculty of each child in the field of his choice. Thirdly, quality should not suffer in the race to produce goods or services at an affordable cost. Fourthly, the depth of knowledge in a given field ultimately produces out-of-the-box solutions to problems. Therefore, due recognition needs to be given to such leaders and, if necessary, build institutions around them to achieve excellence in that field.
तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल तेरा मंगल होय रे सबका मंगल सबका मंगल सबका मंगल होय रे जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म दिया है उनका मंगल होय रे जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है उसका मंगल होय रे पाला पोसा बड़ा किया उस पिता का मंगल होय रे इस जगत के सब दुखियारे प्राणी का मंगल हो
कारे वारावहे रे डौलाने हाक जरा आज नावरे नाविका रे वारावहे रे डौलाने हाक जरा आज नावरे सांज वेळ झाली आता पहिलं माझ गाव रे नाविका रे वारावहे रे डौलाने हाक जरा आज नावरे नाविका रे आषाढाचे दिस गेले श्रावणाचा पास भादवाला माझा राऊ मनामंदी बोलून गेला आषाढाचे दिस गेले श्रावणाचा मास सरे भादवाला मग माझा राऊजी मनामंदी बोलून गेला धाव घे बघ माझे मन नाही त्याचा ठाव रे नाविका रे वारावहे रे डौलाने हाक जरा आज नावरे नाविका रे
I am going to take you on a journey with me to a special world of mine, my world of writing. I am very passionate about my writing. That's what Japanese call it as ikigai. My ikigai is writing. Reason to jump out of bed every morning. My mission in life. Writing gives me power to use my words in whatever way I want. Through writing, I have the freedom to express my thoughts, feelings, and ideas without being judged by society. It helps me to express my ideas to the world. It is peaceful, meditative, and spiritual too. It helps me come out of my life's problems unscathed. It is so de-stressing. Oprah Winfrey says, passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. And that's what I'm doing.
Hello, this is Naveen Dugal. I have a few points to share during the lockdown. Has been left at home safely. Many things came to the mind. A lot of thoughts, what will happen, why it is happening and all. I stopped seeing the media because it would be disturbing and unnecessary. Too much information is dangerous for health. Therefore, what best was to relax, enjoy the day, do a little bit of exercise, yoga, and other thing was composing and reaffirming other people who are little because of the fear and what will happen. Give them assurance. Nothing will go wrong if you have your daily practices. You get up early in the morning, have your self-talk that you are good person and you're going to survive and you will make it happen. Once you are in line with the environment and the universe, things would happen in its place. It's my great honor to speak on this today. Thank you.
आजकल हम कोरोना वायरस को कितना कोसते हैं, उसके द्वारा दी गई तकलीफें गिनाते हैं, पर क्या कभी हमने उसकी व्यथा जानने की कोशिश की? आज मैं आपको पढ़कर सुनाती हूँ कोरोना वायरस का पत्र इंसानों के नाम, जिसे इंग्लिश ऑथर विविन आर रिच ने लिखा। धरती माता आपके कानों में बुदबुदाई, आपने नहीं सुना। धरती माता ने आपको आवाज लगाई, आपने नहीं सुना। धरती माता चिल्लाई, आपने तब भी नहीं सुना। आपने तब भी नहीं सुना जब जल प्रदूषण से जल और थल पर जीव मरने लगे, ग्लेशियर्स पिघलने लगे। आपको तो सिर्फ अपने नए आईफोन की फिक्र थी, बजाय कि धरती माता की तकलीफ सुनने के। मैं कोरोना वायरस फिर से कहता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको जगाने आया हूँ। मैं जब चला जाऊं, कृपया इन पलों को याद रखना।
What I'm going to share today with you all is a very tricky question which was asked to a group of candidates in a job interview. The interviewer says, assuming you are driving a car on a stormy day and you pass by a bus stop and see 3 people waiting there. The first one is a perfect woman of your dreams. The second is an old friend who once saved your life. Third is a lonely old lady who looks sick. If you had one seat in your car, who would you offer a ride to? This was a moral and an ethical dilemma actually used as a part of job application. Now the thinking process starts. Do you pick up the old lady as she is in a critical condition and should save her? Or will you take your old friend who once saved your life, and this would be the perfect opportunity for you to pay back? However, both these choices would leave you missing out on the woman of your dreams. There are around 200 candidates for the interview, and the candidate who was hired for the job had no trouble in answering this question. He simply said, I would give car keys to my old friend and let him drive the old lady to the hospital, and I would stay behind to wait for us with the woman of dreams. His answer left everyone stunned. It completely changed the outlook and reminded people to always think outside the box. Everybody is born with an instinct of success and ability to make it, but only the ones who think outside the box succeed. Always remember, big ideas come from forward-thinking people who challenge the norms